See me in the tank top, that mean I'm doing 2 videos in one day. And just how when you're in the mood you do it. So I already prime my eye, and I am using Juvia's Place primer for the eyes. And then I'm going to go into Culture palette from Juvia's Place, you guys. All the sale that they have out through the holiday, I haven't really purchased anything because I don't really need. So today we are going to go into some of these really beautiful color down here. Look at these are the colors. So I'm going to start off with this lavender one, which is really pigmented and very pretty, and I'm going to start off with it at the end of the corner of my eye here. This is where I'm starting off with this color. Go, and I don't know, I already put on some mascara, but I'm just gonna just do it. Hopefully I do not mess up the mascara and my eyes. I have every collection from Juvia's Place, but I don't. I started to buy Juvia's Place late when they start to come out, but when I see them I always try, always said I want their palette, because their palette are so beautiful, and you know you have to support these people. Yeah, so you can see how this is. So I'm going to go in with a deeper purple here, and I'm using the same brush here to my eyes. I am just going to use 3 color today for this look. I'm going to go in with my brush, with the Wet n Wild brush. These are one of the brush, when they come out I crave for them. I remember I even asked my niece to get it in the state for me because I wanted it so badly. When Wet n Wild comes, then you couldn't get it in Canada. So you can see here. So now I'm gonna go into a different shade right now, and I am going to go into this brownish color right here and just put it over here and make sure that I catch this color. Use up this eyeshadow more because I don't really like using it. And I'm gonna go back into the dark purple right here and go back to the outer corner of my eyes. This is where I'm gonna really penetrate with this color and let it get a little bit darker. Picked up this color right here. I'm gonna see, and I'm using this brush because I just have a brush here where I don't really see it. Let's see how it look here. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush and pick up some of this color right here and just apply it to of my eyes. Now you guys, I'm gonna change my lip. I'm going to change my lip. This Kiss New York dark lip. So this is what I'm going to use today. As I said, I did have on mascara, so I wasn't gonna put any mascara. So this is my palette for the day, and it's the Culture palette from Juvia's Place. Really nice color. I took away this palette, but I think I need to take it out more and play more in it. So I use this one here, this one, and this one, and then I go over to this one here. Bye for now.